Hey guys, I'm here today. I got a 97 1500 Chevy with a 4.3 liter V6. Kept throwing the code p0300, stands for random misfire. I changed the cap, the rotor, spark plugs, wires, and fuel filter. Brand new fuel pump, and it's still throwing the code. So what I figured out the problem was that the distributor gear is worn out. And what I mean by this is, if you can see a little close, get the angle right, you see the wear marks. And what that's doing is throwing your timing off. So, with that being said, I found the replacement gear for 58 bucks at O'Reilly's. And that should fix this problem. I'll do a part 2 video as soon as I get the outcome. Thank you guys.